Good day, grade 7. It's a brand new day and a great chance to learn and enjoy through our virtual classroom brought to you by Valenzuela Live. I am Ma'am Jack, your teacher in TLE 7. So get ready with your pen, learning packets, as well as your ears and focused mind. Let's begin. To check if you could still remember our previous lesson, let's now have our review. Are you familiar with the fact or bluff game? I know you are. For our activity, just type fact in the comment box below if you think the statement is correct, and bluff if it is not. I will give you 10 seconds for each number. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question number 1. Use oil lubricants to avoid rust. Is it a fact or a bluff? Your time starts now. The correct answer is fact. Number 2. A file is not used to sharpen the gardening tools. Is it a fact or a bluff? Comment your answer now. The answer is bluff. For question number 3, you need to disassemble the farm tools before cleaning them. What do you think? Is it a fact or a bluff? Yes, it's a fact. Very good. Let's move on to question number 4. Changing the oil of your farm equipment every month is necessary. Is it a fact or a bluff? Your time starts now. Bluff is the correct answer. Last number. Number 5. Always check the loosened nuts and bolts of the farm tools. What is your answer? Fact or bluff? All right, the answer is fact. If you got 5, that's great. Kindly react hard. Smiley for those who got 4, and thumbs up to those who got 3 and below. The learning you possess from your previous lesson will be of big help in our next topic. Today's learning competency is use and maintain farm tools and equipment. And our learning targets are: number 1, enumerate the procedures in cleaning farm tools and equipment. Number 2, value the importance of cleaning and performing routine check-up and maintenance operations of farm tools and equipment. And lastly, clean and perform routine check-up and maintenance operations of the farm tools and equipment. Now, look at the group of pictures. They will help you in arranging the jumbled letters given to form the correct word. Are you ready to guess the word? Comment your answer in the comment box below. I will give you 10 seconds to answer. comment box. Let's see if it's correct. Very good. Cleaning is the correct word. Let's try another one. What do the pictures suggest? Can you guess the jumbled letters again? Some letters are already given. 10 seconds to type in your answer. Equipment, let us check. You are correct. You're all doing great. Now, what do you think is the relation of cleaning and equipment in our lesson for today? Does it have something to do with cleaning and equipment? Any idea? You got it right. Our topic for today is about procedures in cleaning farm tools and equipment. The best way to prolong serviceability of the farm tools, equipment, and materials is through check-up. Doing preventive maintenance all the time will reduce time and effort, thus resulting in efficient operations. That is why we need to follow these procedures in cleaning the farm tools and equipment. Here are the pre-operative check-up of farm tools, implements, and equipment that you need to do. Here are the ways on how to clean the garden tools. Step 1. Prepare all the materials needed to clean and sharpen the tools like sandpaper, whetstone, oil, and drugs. These are the basic materials for cleaning tools. Number 2, sharpening. To sharpen farm tools, you need to follow these steps. Letter A, use whetstone to sharpen all cutting edges of farm tools. Letter B, apply a few drops of oil or water to the stones. Letter C, rub the sharp edge of the blade towards the stone in a curved motion. Letter D, maintain the original factory bevel or angle. Letter E, when sharpening using a file, do not use oil. Metal fillings will accumulate and clog the file serrations. Letter F, always push the file across the blade and a motion away from the body. And letter G, move the file diagonally so that its cutting teeth are biting into the metal on the tool. Number 3, clamping. Use bevel vise to clamp the tool into place at an angle. And letter B, clamping tool into place with vices frees both hands and it gives more control of what you are doing. Number 4, disassemble. Disassemble all moving parts of farm tools like springs and pivot joints. Letter B, clean rust and dirt of all metal surfaces with a wire brush. Number 5, apply lubricating oil to prevent the formation of rust. Number 6, clean tools thoroughly and keep them in a dry place or tool cabinet. Number 7, select a place in your shop where you can position your tools sturdily. Number 8, maintain a 30-degree angle between stone and blade to form the ideal cutting edge of tool. Number 9, use a medium grit sandpaper to remove rust on larger tools such as shovel, spades, and hooks. And number 10, tools that are worn out should be separated and be fixed immediately to avoid accident. We're done with the garden tools. Let's now move on to the farm equipment. Here are the procedures in cleaning farm equipment. Number 1, Loose bolts should be tightened firmly. Number 2, check the oil, lubricant fuel, and cooling system. And number 3, tractors should also be tuned up very well by a skilled operator. Number 4, apply lubricating oil for moving parts like in disc plow and harrow. And number 5, ordinary plow and wooden harrow should be checked thoroughly before use. Next is how to clean and sharpen pruning tools. Prepare all the materials like steel wool, sandpaper, oil, and file. Number 2, disassemble all moving parts in pruning shears like springs and pivot joints. Number 3, clean rust and dirt of all metal surfaces with a steel wool or sandpaper. Number 4, apply a few drops of oil or water to the stone. Number 5, rub the sharp edge of the blade using file towards the stone in a curved motion. Number 6, wipe the tools with a clean cloth. Number 7, check the pruning shears if it is sharp by cutting the stem of plants. And number 8, keep the tools in a dry place or tool cabinet. To fully understand our topic, please check the provided link or you can scan the QR code on the screen and watch this video on how to clean the farm tools after our discussion of today's lesson. Thank you very much. To check your understanding in today's lesson, answer this activity. Directions. Supply each blank with the correct word to complete the statement. The choices are found inside the box below. Write your answer in your notebook. I will give you 2 minutes to answer this activity and your timer starts now. Let us now check your verb. Maintain the letter C, original factory bevel or angle. Number 2, apply lubricating oil to prevent the formation of letter D, rust. Number 3, tractor should also be letter F, tune up very well by a skilled operator. Number 4, rub the sharp edge of the blade towards the stone in a letter A curve motion. And number 5, clean tools thoroughly and keep it in a B, dry place of your tool cabinet. Type your score in the comment box below. Great! Many of you got the perfect score. Don't forget to react hard if you enjoyed today's lesson. Great job! Thank you very much for the hearts. Remember, farm tools and equipment are the farmer's best friends. Always be responsible for keeping your tools and equipment clean and safe because doing so can help them last longer. For your assignment, answer the following activities from your TLE Module Week 5, What I Know, What's More, and What I Have Learned. Once again, thank you very much, Grade 7 learners. I hope you enjoy and learn a lot from our topics today. For questions and clarifications, don't hesitate to notify your subject teachers. Surely they will attend to you. See you in our next Valenzuela Live again. This is Ma'am Jack signing off. Bye everyone.